Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to merge tracks into one track. And if while I'm talking about this, I'm explaining, you're looking at this. Yes, it's 6 in the morning here. And yes, I'm creating tutorial at this time. So yeah, I'm currently recording a video. So you should subscribe. I really appreciate it if you subscribe, as I do really want to make these tutorials. So if you subscribe, I'll really appreciate it. Now, how to do this in Adobe Audition if you want to merge multiple tracks. First, I'm just gonna record a video here, so I have multiple tracks. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I have one here. I can go to multi-track here, and I can drag this here. Now I have one. I can create another one right now. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now I can pause this, and now if I want I can create another one here. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and now I can save this. So let's go back. Also, in fact, I don't even have to, because I can just multiply. Now I have 3 tracks here. So now if I want to, I'm gonna have to go to multi-track here, and then here in bounce to a new track we have selected clips only. Now this is correct. Actually, select just use all this audio tracks and all the audios here. They actually merge them together in one, and this one I'm gonna show you here without zooming in. Maybe now here, as you can see, it created another one now. So I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.